Hey everyone, welcome back to the Meekfro channel. You're watching youtube.com/Meekfro, and today I'm showing you how I installed these crochet locks, individual crochet locks from Amazon on my mother's hair. So basically the kit came with some dreadlock jewels. They're like silver crown shaped jewels that go on the locks. 2 clips came in the box as well, and also 6 packs of 1B27 faux locks. These are crochet locks. Once again, I think 24 locks come in each bundle, if I'm not mistaken. Check the description box just in case I've said the wrong thing. Also, this video is sponsored by Yebo, by the way. It is an Amazon store, which is where I got these locks from. So yeah, these are synthetic locks, once again. They are not solid. They actually do unravel, so you can install them individually, any type of individual method you would like to choose. But I chose a different individual method, and I'm going to show you. So I opened the loop up, basically, put it through onto my hair, as you can see, and then I just basically did a 3-strand braid. 2 strands was my hair, and the 3rd strand is basically the dread. You just want to braid all the way down until you run out of your hair. These curly faux locks cost me $38.50, free shipping on Amazon. These synthetic locks are 20 inches. You could also get them in 14 inches. And these locks also come in 5 different colors. Once again, one order comes with 6 packs automatically. And these locks are extremely easy to work with. And next, I just found some Afro kinky hair that I already had to basically hide that braid. The braid that you see, which is basically your hair. Some people leave it like that, but I decided this time to cover the braid like so. So that's all you're doing with the extra hair that you could buy from wherever. Just Afro kinky hair, a Marley hair, to hide that braid. I will say, if you're not careful with these locks, they will unravel on you, so be extremely gentle. Then of course I used some super glue here to seal that hair onto the crochet lock so it does not come undone, and then I do just a palm roll to make sure it stays in place, and voila, the lock is done. Very quick method, you guys, if you get the hang of it, especially the gluing part. I did my mom's hair like this. Each lock was done exactly the way I showed you, hiding the braid with some Marley hair, and boom, because a lot of people are not a fan of crochet locks being installed the traditional way. So yeah, that's how it looks. Thanks guys so much for watching. Thumbs up this video, subscribe. See you in the next video. Yeah, I really enjoyed working with this hair, so if you're interested, check the description box for the purchase link. Alright guys, bye.